Doesn't look like that microphone's picking up any of the bike sound. Good morning, afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. The other day I popped a video up saying that people with a Pack Talk Bold, one of the Cardo units, the older ones, if you had a Samsung phone, that you could pair that to your phone and record the audio, just your voice, not your mates coming through the Cardo, but basically use your Cardo mic to record your audio. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Yes, I've got the cameras rolling, but the actual audio is through my Cardo mic. So I'm not going to have any idea what it's like till I get back to the house, chuck it on the PC and see what it's like. On the same day, so popped up and said that the Insta Ace Pro would once again pair with the DJI Mic 2. So I've got the Mic 2 in the helmet. It's not turned on yet. What I'm going to do is give this a fair go. That's visor up at the moment. We're only doing sort of 30 miles an hour. Just basically want to see, does the Cardo shove out background noise? Does it leave a bit of it coming through? And then when we get somewhere, I'll pull over, I'll stop the app on the phone, fire up the DJI Mic 2, pair it to the Insta Ace Pro, and then what I'll do is check out the audio on that. I've got it set at the moment, I think it's set at minus 12 decibels. Did try it the other day and it seemed to be a bit hot. Just seemed to be, too much too overpowering, and it was just clipping and it was unusable. So we'll have a go. We'll see what pair of them are like. I say this with the app. I found a channel that actually does the same. I don't know whether they still do it now, but they used to, and their audio seems to come through fairly clear. So fingers crossed this will be something to keep in your back pocket as a bit of a fail-safe. If you're out and about one day, I don't know, say the DJI Mic 2 packed up, it's got something that you can use as a bit of a backup, stuck without any audio at all. Couple of things while I'm out and about. I've been watching a couple of the old live streams. I've never really sort of watched them live. Recently I've jumped in on one, and not on the video, I just sort of sat in the comments and tapped away, but I've downloaded they call it StreamYard. I've downloaded that software, had a quick look at it this morning. Doesn't look too complicated. Obviously it'll take you a few goes to get used to it, but yeah, I think if Joe, kind to go, and Howie do one through the week again, I might jump in and just have a go, get used to it. My ugly mug on the screen. Give it a whirl. I think it's brilliant that you can, these day and age, you can do all that. Oh, is this a Caterham? So Lotus Super 7. Lotus. But he has a nightmare polishing that with all that chrome on the bonnet. But yeah, I'm surprised. As much as I hate to admit it, the weather people They said it was going to rain all night, which it did. They said we'd have a bit of drizzle this morning, which I think we did, and it would clear up as the day went on. To look at it now, you think, right, we'll have a fair old bit more of this, please. See on Sky News, the weather people are saying it is going to start to warm up now. I think we're long overdue that, but we are only in April, aren't we? We are still in April. Forgetting that. I think last year we had good weather early, didn't we? And then I think we got a bit spoiled. But I doubt, even after all this rain we've had, I doubt it'll be long before there's screaming drought again. Go folks, there's Portland in the distance. I've been over here a few times. There's a few vids on the channel of over here. Currently home to Mr. Gary Glitter. Do you know that twat? He got parole, didn't he? And he was out. They found pornographic images of kids on his phone. So back he went, and rightly so. Look at these out for a walk. The visor's down. Now that's not my glasses steaming up. That is my dark visor. Yeah, the sunshade that comes down. Can't stay behind this geezer. Bit of blurring. Get a lot of the old big cruise ships coming here now. Used to be solely for the Navy. Somebody likes S's. LR SS SSS. As I say, once we get up the top of the island, we'll have a swap, and we'll shift onto the Mic 2. See what the audio is like on that, which once it's paired straight to the Insta Ace Pro. I still think the best pairing is going to be the Mic 2 to a DJI Action 4. It's the same brand, it's been tested with that. And ultimately, that's what it was brought in to work with. Looking backwards. This road here that leads out to Portland Bill Lighthouse. It's back when I was a nipper, it was a 60-mile-an-hour speed limit. So, the minute we started getting motorbikes legally on the road, this was the place to come and roast it. I was screaming along here on a Yummy Fizzy once. They were great bikes, weren't they? 50 cc's, but God, didn't they go well. Brilliant. House. Go down to the lighthouse and then we'll come back and we'll stop here and I'll change the mics over. That for a beautiful day. That's turned out cracking. A little bit breezy. Some cracking nonetheless. Yep. Good. Is the Mic 2 connected via Bluetooth straight to the Ace Pro. So then, right, DJI Mic 2 connected via Bluetooth straight to the Insta Ace Pro. That is visor up and we're doing full. Some are butchers. So this is now DJI Mic 2, no noise reduction at all, and we've got the settings on the Ace Pro, we've got that,